Every great car begins with a bold vision. This is the blueprint of Hyundai's sensuous sportiness design language. It's a philosophy that completely redefines the small car segment, blending athletic proportions with sharp, geometric lines. The goal here wasn't just to make a practical hatchback, but to create a visually stunning, low-slung powerhouse that looks fast even when it's standing completely still. And here is the real deal out on the tarmac. Meet the all-new Hyundai i20. It features a wider stance, a longer wheelbase, and a roofline dropped by 24 mm compared to its predecessor. This gives the car an aggressive, planted hot hatch silhouette that demands attention. It's a massive leap forward, giving drivers premium aesthetic appeal without breaking the bank. Up front, the design details are incredibly sharp. Take a look at this massive parametric jewel pattern grille that seamlessly merges into the sweeping full-LED headlamps. The angular air intakes and distinctively sculpted daytime running lights frame the front fascia perfectly. It creates a highly memorable, wide-eyed visual signature that looks fiercely competitive in your rearview mirror. Moving to the side profile, the energetic proportions truly shine. Notice how the bold character line runs straight from the front fender all the way to the rear. This look is elevated by the unique C-pillar treatment, a chrome beltline, and these beautifully intricate 17-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels. It hugs the asphalt tightly, delivering an incredibly mature road presence. But the i20 isn't just about good looks, it's an absolute blast to drive. Under the hood, the star of the show is the 1.0-litre 1TGDI 3-cylinder turbo engine, pushing out up to 120 horsepower. Combined with a responsive electric power steering system, this low-key powerhouse makes daily urban commuting and tight city cornering feel effortless and incredibly engaging. Step inside, and you're greeted by a highly sophisticated, driver-focused cabin. Hyundai designers balanced raw athletic style with immense roominess and premium materials. The dashboard features an elegant, horizontal lifestyle pattern that neatly hides the air vents, creating an airy, uncluttered environment that feels like it belongs in a vehicle from a much higher price bracket. The ergonomics here are top tier. You get a beautifully leather-wrapped steering wheel and deeply bolstered front seats featuring contrasting premium stitching. The lowered belt line and the clever fixed quarter-glass window behind the rear doors vastly improve outward visibility, making the entire cabin feel substantially more open, airy, and premium for long journeys. Technology takes center stage with this brilliant digital cockpit. You are looking at dual 10.25-inch screens that are visually combined for a seamless, ultra-modern layout. The high-resolution center touchscreen offers split-screen multitasking and full 3D navigation, while the digital driver instrument cluster changes color layouts instantly depending on your selected drive mode. To keep you fully synced up, Hyundai includes their advanced BlueLink connected car services. This tech allows you to lock or unlock your doors, check vehicle diagnostics, and even preload your navigation routes straight from your smartphone before you even step outside. Plus, you get wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto alongside a dedicated wireless charging pad. Passenger safety is highly prioritized. The i20 brings Hyundai SmartSense active safety features to the segment, keeping your friends and family safe. We are talking about lane following assist, forward collision avoidance, and navigation-based smart cruise control. It constantly monitors the road to intervene during critical moments, making it one of the safest hatchbacks on the market. Practicality gets a major upgrade as well. Thanks to the increased exterior dimensions, the boot space has been bumped up by 26 liters, offering a highly usable 352 liters of cargo capacity with the rear seats up. Fold them flat, and that expands to a massive 1165 liters, easily swallowing all your weekend getaway gear. Around the back, the design culminates in a stunning visual finish. These distinctive, Z-shaped LED combination tail lamps extend completely across the boot lid, visually connecting the rear of the car. It creates a wide, high-tech signature lighting footprint at night that makes the i20 instantly recognizable from a distance. Look a bit lower, and you'll find a completely reimagined, sculpted rear bumper complete with integrated sporty faux diffuser accents. This lines up perfectly with the car's athletic DNA. Every single edge of this rear-end layout serves to emphasize the wider track, making sure the car leaves a lasting impression as it drives away. To keep things sustainable, that turbo engine is paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system and an intelligent manual transmission. This tech allows the car to completely decouple the engine and enter a fuel-saving, coasting mode when you lift off the accelerator. It delivers an excellent balance, dropping fuel consumption and CO2 emissions by up to 11%. Ultimately, the all-new Hyundai i20 sets an entirely new benchmark for the modern hatchback. By packing best-in-class safety, seamless wireless connectivity, and an incredibly efficient powertrain into an aggressive, head-turning design, Hyundai proves you don't have to compromise. It's smart, it's sporty, and it's ready for the stage.